Hey there, English learners. Today we're diving into something fun and really useful for your everyday conversations. Idioms. But wait, what's an idiom? Simply put, an idiom is a phrase where the meaning isn't obvious from the words themselves. Sound tricky? Don't worry, I've got some great examples to make it easy. Let's start with the idiom break the ice. This doesn't mean you're smashing ice cubes. Nope. It means starting a conversation in a social setting to ease the tension. Imagine you're at a party and things feel a bit awkward. You can say something funny or ask a question to break the ice. Brief pause. Next up. It's okay? Spill the beans. Don't grab a can of beans just yet. This phrase is used when someone reveals a secret, sometimes by accident. If your friend tells you about a surprise party early, they've spilled the beans. Slightly playful tone. And here's a classic one. Under the weather. If someone says they're feeling under the weather, it means they're not feeling well. Maybe they've caught a cold or are just a bit tired. Idioms like these are a big part of English conversations and help you sound more natural. So next time you hear an idiom, don't let it confuse you. Remember, the key is learning how and when to use them. Closing upbeat tone. That's it for today. Keep practicing and you'll be using idioms like a native speaker in no time. See you next time.